The final test.
What's wrong with this guy? Playing chess at a time like this? I think he calmed him down. Yeah, for a night. Fuck. That's what he said. Think he's back home? This is Cuba. You got tons of lovely vodka in the military airfield? I know, but at least protect him. That's it. I don't think that's pretty tough.
Right, now to set the trap. The ejector seat mechanism has been disabled. You may need a tool to re-enable it.
Hey, where's Fred, buddy?
Jasper Knight, we gotta go over the safety protocol. Follow me, please.
Ugh. Must we really? Is it dangerous? Well, it must be, mustn't it? Why else would there be a safety protocol? I'm not crazy about airplanes. Is it going to do that thing where it flips on its head? I don't like that one bit. Not one bit.
Don't worry. You're in good hands. This way, please.
So are we doing this or what? Hello? You, Grease Monkey. What's the holdup? Unbelievable.
Mr. Knight, we did some readjustments to the jet, and we'll need to do another safety check.
Is this strictly necessary? Oh, very well.
Okay, Mr. Knight. Climb in the cockpit, please.
All right. Easy. One step at a time.
Step 1. Strap yourself in.
Okay. All strapped in.
Step 2. Locate the ejector seat handle.
Yes, found it.
Step 3. Pull the ejector seat handle.
Right. Here it goes. Pull.
Target down. You did it. Now head towards an exit.
Congratulations, Agent. You are cleared for field duty.